Start by popping your hood. Open and remove oil filler cap. Oil filter on the side of oil filler cap. To remove the splash shield underneath the car, you need to remove 7 10mm bolts. $10mm socket. Now locate your oil drain plug. 6mm Allen key socket. Get you extension to reach the oil drain plug. This is how you reach your drain plug. Take your time on removing the oil drain plug. Oil will splatter all over the place. Get you some brake cleaner spray to clean up the area where the messy oil will land on. Get your extension again. Get your ratchet. Next, get your oil filter socket. It's a 36mm socket for the oil filter cap. Remove your oil filter cap to remove the dirty oil filter. Needle nose pliers. To remove oil filter O-ring gasket. Here's a better view on what it looks like to remove the oil filter gasket. Sorry, it's hard to record with one hand. Get your new oil filter. New oil filter O-ring gasket. Place the O-ring gasket back in the same way you removed the old gasket. She's ready to go back in. After adding in your new oil, start it up and let the new oil do its thing in the engine. Now look underneath and check for any leaks. Bonus clip: adding windshield washer fluid. Reset oil light and you're finished.
Come with me to do an oil change on a 2026 Cayenne base model. Funny thing, this is actually my mom's car. So yeah, just gonna do a basic 10,000 mile service, just an oil change, and a quick multi-point on it. So yeah. I'm the Silver Certified Technician working on your vehicle today, and we're good on oil level.